Hi everybody, my name is Jorge Peruzzi, and in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make your first API request to ChatGPT, and we're going to do that via Postman, and we're going to get you up and running within just 2 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be going ahead and asking ChatGPT, how much milk should I consume after a workout? And we're going to be doing this in Postman. So we're going to be using the GPT 3.5 model, and this is the content we're going to send it via JSON. And here is what ChatGPT is going to respond with. It's going to say milk can be a good post-workout drink due to its high protein content, etc. So let's go ahead and show you how to do that from scratch. So first things first, you're going to need to create an account. So we're going to go to platform.openapi.com. You're going to go ahead and set up your account. That's pretty easy. And the next thing we'll have to do is, the second thing is to create a new API key. So let's go ahead and click on API keys and then click on create a new secret key. Let's go ahead and copy this to our clipboard, and then let's go into making requests. So we can go to the docs, the API reference, and making requests, and this is kind of like the example request we're going to look at. So we're going to use this URL, v1/chat/completions. So I'm going to go, I already have this collection here. I'm going to go ahead and add a request, and we're going to call this a chat example, and this is going to be a post request. And we're going to go ahead and use that URL that we found here, and we're going to paste it here. And we're going to go ahead and add in, for content type, we're going to add in application JSON. Application JSON. For authorization, we're going to use the bearer token, and we're going to make sure to use that API key that I just generated. I'm going to go ahead and create a new one because I didn't actually copy it to the clipboard. We're going to paste it in here. And now we're going to go ahead and use body and use a raw here, and we're going to use JSON. And we already have this example that we could use. So we're going to paste it in, and I'm just going to take away the quotes here, and I'm going to ask it, how much milk should I consume after a workout? And it's going to send the request, and it's going to take a little bit of time. And you can see the role is user, so I'm playing the user here, and we're using the GPT 3.5. So it's going to say, it is suggested to consume about 8 to 16 ounces of milk after a workout to aid in muscle recovery and growth. Awesome. And now we can go ahead and click on this code button, and if we want to use JavaScript fetch library, we can do that. And we can see here just how easily we can actually use this in our Node.js app. So I hope you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe and like this video to help me keep going. I'm trying to make more of these videos. Thanks so much. Bye.